Experiment on transpiration. Take a glass tube of uniform diameter and fill it up with water completely. Lower it into a beaker half filled with mercury. At the upper end of the tube, fix a shoot from a plant and make it airtight. The tube is then clamped to a stand and the setup is left undisturbed for some time. After some time, we see the level of mercury rising in the tube. This is due to the fact that the plant loses water by transpiration, and the upward pull exerted by transpiration causes the mercury from the beaker to rise in the tube. This proves that transpiration from leaves exerts an upward pull sufficient to pull up water into the plant.